Hello there. I know you are here. Hey, how is the life going on? Are you feeling a little bit depressed these days? We are facing with a period that everyone is locked at home. Social restrictions, precautions in healthcare, and travel bans. We are all missing our active life and old but gold days. How fast our life is changing. Just like cars going in different directions. We are rapidly moving away from our social life. We are running away from crowds and moving towards an isolated life. We distance ourselves from everyone. Right now, there is only nature that's embracing us without a question. Mother Nature is waiting for us unconditionally. Then, where are you? Our universe is waking up to a new period. Each day is unique and precious. Isn't every second, minute, and hour the perfect opportunity to live these unique days to the full? The time is up. It's time to explore ourselves and our environment. Come on, start learning to play an instrument today. Do you know your favorite kind of music? Reveal your skills you have not realized yet. Do not put them off anymore. A lifestyle where you are going to be in love with nature is going to do you a lot of good. We also a lot to learn from the active world of living creatures. The world is not that small for us to look at from just one angle. Life is an adventure with full of surprises at any moment. Reaction is the most important part of the action. Active life requires us to be curious. Nature, the capital of the land of tranquility, has been ready for centuries to welcome us without a visa. All these beauties answer the question, what is peace? Anyone who sees these beauties, who hears the awesome sounds, is much peaceful with what they have. Fulfilling the basic needs is the most important task for all living creatures, for sure. But that's not our only mission on this planet. Since its existence, all living things have always been in constant effort to migrate, find food, shelter, in short, survive. However, the comfortable lifestyle that was the benefit of the modern era caused us to live a sedentary life. Of course, we all want a comfortable and peaceful life. It sounds pretty good to eat whatever we want and live for pleasure. No one will say no to a life of abundance and comfort. However, these lazy living habits come at a cost to our physical and spiritual health. Driving to work, working behind the desk, coming home and sitting in the seat. The screens we always watch. Movement in our daily life as a choice is the key to bring new experiences into our lives by leaving the comfort area and adopting the active lifestyle of individuals. It's much easier to bring sports into our lives. We do not need extra time to move a designated location, a person to guide us, and expensive equipment too. All we need is to decide to look at our daily lives through a different window. And to see opportunities that help us to get rid of our old habits. Enjoy freedom and madness with unique landscapes hidden in undiscovered forests, long trails, steep cliffs, and peaks. There is no vitamin more effective than feeling good spiritually and physically. I think you know where to find this delicious vitamin. For active life, we do not have to do a sport in a professional sense. A quiet walk, a pleasant yoga in nature, even any regular exercise you can do in your garden will be enough to keep you active in everyday life. Maybe you may want to be an expert in sports. Or should it just be a hobby? Sure. The most important thing is to start today and continue regularly. And of course, to be able to do it with nature. Blending the places you have not seen before with new perspectives is the salt and the pepper. We need to get away from the city life and listen to nature every day, not just today or tomorrow. We must stay close to Mother Nature. See it, hear it, smell it, taste it, and feel it. Active life means being able to live life to the full. And let's save a lot of laughter and good memories. Let's think about the days we miss or new adventures and plan for tomorrow today. By paying attention to our social distancing while driving a positive and active life, let's take care to remain negative as a result of the test. With so many good things to discover, we don't have any time to waste. Take care, feel the universe. Act now for an active life.